Good day, Mike Gish, MarineMax, Maryland. Today, 2019 Azimut 60 Fly. New model for Azimut, I'm really excited to take you through. Starting on the swim platform, nice wide swim platform, easy access on the flattened out sponsons. First thing you're going to notice is of course the teak all throughout. This is a hydraulic swim platform, drops down into the water, makes dinghy retrieval very, very simple. Cockpit of this boat, great place to be. Solid surface, large tabletop here, U-shaped seating, entrance to the main salon, sliding glass doors. It does open almost all the way up, really gives you that indoor-outdoor feel. Main salon, lots of seating. As you can see, there's a nice U-shaped seating, foot pedestal, opposite another sofa. Television does come up from behind here if you do want to catch the game or just catch up on the local news. Here in the galley, you get a full-size Domestic refrigerator with a freezer, 4-burner cooktop stove, a microwave with convection settings. We get a full-size sink, so plenty of room to actually do your dishes if you need to do that. Added bonus, we did put the wine fridge in here. You really get commanding views from the raised helm. Full Marine electronics, your Volvo display, dual helm chairs, flip-up bolsters, and footrests. Power on this boat is the Volvo D13 motors. We also have the integrated joystick. Connects the bow thruster and the motors together, really making docking a simple and a breeze. Great headroom as we work our way through the atrium towards the master stateroom. On our way there, we'll pass the third head or the day head for the boat, and also the washer dryer that's integrated nicely underneath the steps. Full beam master stateroom, lots of light coming from either side. Opening port lights gives you that nice cross breeze when needed. Queen size island bed, easy to access, easy to get around. Master stateroom has a great master head. Separate shower stall, dedicated sink with lots of sink space, countertop space in there. Of course, vacuum flush head and some extra storage compartments. VIP stateroom, another great place to be. All the way forward in the bow, still get the island style bed, lots of light from either side, great headroom, couple of hanging storage lockers, and access to your dedicated head. So it really makes that VIP experience a little bit nicer. Third stateroom, still not a bad place to be. You still get an opening port light, lots of light, television with a Bose soundbar, hanging storage locker, and a few storage drawers. Access to the bridge, just head up the teak steps. Nice stainless steel grab rails on either side, real easy to get through. The 60-footer has an absolutely enormous bridge. Nice U-shaped seating, same solid surface countertop, entertainment bar. You get a grill inside of here, dedicated spot for garbage, refrigerator drawer, and an ice maker. Really no reason to go downstairs when everything you need is up here. So as we move forward to the helm, nice lounge seat to starboard, twin seats with flip-up bolsters, full Marine electronics, Volvo display, Volvo docking joystick. Again, really everything you need to run the boat. Aft section of this bridge really is that added bonus space. Lots of lounge seating, built-in coffee table, really out in the sun, out in the elements, one of my favorite spots on the boat. "2019 Azimut 60 Fly, MarineMax, Maryland." Give us a phone call, stop on in, we would love to take you out for a sea trial.